Governor Soludo, driven by his passion for infrastructure, is opening up communities with good road network. He awarded a total of 46.9 kilometers of roads in Aguata local government. Out of these, 36.3 already been completed. Today, we will explore the ongoing construction of 10.6 kilometers of roads, which connects different communities in Aguata local government. Let's go.
This road has been very, very bad. The community has suffered a lot, not being able to access the other part of Aguata because of the terrible state of this road. But as you can see, by the grace of God, the project is ongoing and going on a very high speed. Any part of Aguata you go to, you see one thing or the other being done by this administration. Mr. Governor is doing very well. So Aguata is happy. And we are praying for God to give him more strength to do more work in Aguata and in the whole of Anambra.
Oja primary school na village here. Just secondary school no UGA. He wasn't born with golden spoon. So Omata ahu one when ata well alaya with less privilege. And when 4 urban na Anambra state. 1 of Onitsha, 2nd of Awka, 3rd of Nnewi, 4th of Aguata. And out of that 4 urban, na Aguata Kadoka, Eluka urban. And Aguata changing overnight. Na Anambra changing. Na much I invest in Aguata na all the free to invest. Obrozi cap and we bottleneck na hold on. I potaja ebe so ga egba, oso ga ni egba, oso ga na egba. Bele nne penisi e ahụike. No ifo okwere ndị Anambra na mkpa ka ọ na-eme. Da Dubai anyị na-ahụ ya n'anya. O ya dụrụ ndị Anambra mma. Dụrụ Aguata mma. Dụrụ local gọọmenti ohu na ofu. O ya dụrụ ha mma. Na ndị niile na-achị ha. Na aha Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye nwe anyị.